Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 285 Fountain Street, Unit 3. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit located on the 3rd floor of the building. It is on 285 Fountain Street, which is nearby South Main Street. This unit has panel floor, hardwood floor, and tile in the bathroom. Here we have the parlor living room area. And then to the right, we have the tile floor bathroom with a full-size tub and shower, as you can see here. This also has little storage cabinets and closets in the bathroom next to the shower. You have the sink, the medicine cabinet, toilet. Moving back out to the parlor living room area, we have that main dining room area. As you see, hardwood floor and plenty of sunlight from the windows there. Here we have the kitchen with the gas stove, stainless steel sink, and plenty of cabinets above and below. Moving back around past the space heater, we have the first bedroom here. And each bedroom is equipped with a closet. Again, nice windows for some natural lighting. And moving back out, we're going to head to the second bedroom. Again, the closet as well for this bedroom. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do have access to features such as key copying, being able to pay rent online, and access to a 24-hour hotline number for all your repair and maintenance needs. Again, this is 285 Fountain Street, Unit 3 in Fall River, Massachusetts.